SPC flooring is composed of substrate layer, wear-resistant layer, color film layer, UV layer, etc. PVC and natural stone powder, the main raw materials of base material layer, are non-toxic and environmental friendly renewable resources. The finished SPC floor is fireproof, moisture-proof, anti-skid, mildew-proof, tough and wear-resistant, with good decoration effect, convenient installation and simple maintenance. It is a high-quality environmental protection floor decoration material. Let's see how SPC flooring is produced. SPC floor production equipment has been highly automated. The production line does not need too many labors for operation. First is the production of floor substrate. The centralized feeding system mixes various raw materials according to formula. After the mixing material is evenly mixed in high temperature and cooled in the cooling tank, then piped into extruder hopper. The material is heated, rolled and plasticized in the extruder. Then enter the die to extrude the material strip. Material belt is calendared to make the substrate layer of SPC floor. The color and pattern of SPC floor comes from color film layer. Wear resistant layer needs to be added in order to make the floor wear resistant. Therefore, the color film layer and the wear resistant layer should be firmly attached to the substrate layer, and the embossing roller should be used to press out the texture with different depth on the surface. EIR system can ensure accurate synchronize of embossing pattern and color film pattern, and make SPC floor feel as natural as solid wood floor. After trimming the laminated and embossed floor material belt, cut the whole board of the floor length with plate cutter. And palletizing by automatic plating machine. Waiting for the next process. Cover the floor with a layer of green and environmental protection UV curing coating. And the floor surface will have the desired color and smoothness with more protection. Next, cut the whole board into the finished floor size. And continue to transport to the automatic slotting equipment. Lock floor is a widely used floor form with simple pavement and closed seams. We need to slot each side of each floor to process the lock structure. Finally, paste mute stickers or IXPE on the back of the floor to make the floor soundproof and mute, and make the floor feel natural and comfortable. After the finished floor is packaged, it is waiting to enter thousands of homes. This is the birth of a beautiful SPC floor.